Timothy's. It's your queen here, Talisha. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? I'm good, thanks for asking. What's going on, y'all? It's Sunday afternoon, but I'm still coming to do blush out with a little one too. Yeah, you like that. But y'all, it's so beautiful out here today. I feel like I need to come outside more and sit on my front porch and my back porch. Like, I just don't do it often, but I need to. But today is Timothy's birthday. He is baby number 9. He turned 16 today. Happy birthday, Timbo. Love you. I'm about to take him out to eat. He wants to go to APPLEBEE's, so that's where we going. Taking the baby to APPLEBEE's. He want to go out to eat APPLEBEE's, that's where we gonna go. Mind you, he's starting to rap now. I had got him a whole bunch of studio equipment. I don't know what I ordered, but that's what he got today. But he been got it. I've been ordered it. But that was his gifts, and he just want to go out to eat. I mean, just simple that. But I said simple that. Simple as that. But yeah, y'all. That's pretty much it. So y'all know APPLEBEE's, they be having playing music. I don't know why I can't talk right. They be having playing music. They be playing music. So it's not gonna be a quiet mukbang. I'm probably going voiceover or either put some music on. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. But I'm definitely gonna record. I don't know if he's gonna be in it or Tyreek. I'm just taking the boys out. It's just, you know, it's the boys' day. Me, Timothy, and Tyreek. I'm gonna go get something to eat real quick. They probably be in it, they probably don't, I don't know. But, you know what I'm saying, if not, it's gonna be a mukbang with me just eating. It's, you know what I'm saying, they don't care to be on camera. I don't like to force them. Some days they like to be on it, some days they don't. So I'm asking them to be on it today. If they don't, you know what I'm saying, it's fine. So y'all just gonna be watching me eat. So, see y'all when we get there, y'all. Bye. What, the inside?
Yeah.
It was inside?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I am back home. We had a good time. I had enjoyed myself with the boys. Y'all, I'm really, I'm never out here. In my living room, we got a little footage out here. Yeah, I had a good time. I just want to say happy birthday to Timbo, and now I'm just about to chill, relax, watch a little TV. I gotta go pick up one of the girls from work later on. My daughter, she's actually out at a concert right now, the 2-day concert, the what is it? The Music One Fest thing. I gotta go pick her up later too, so I've just been riding around all day. My days is just never free. I'm just always doing something. Y'all already know that. But I'm gonna happy birthday to Timbo. Y'all continue to like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to relax while I can for a little minute. And that's it. So continue to rock with us. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'm out. Oh, that's right, Timbo. Look, I said Timbo. That's right, Ricky. Oh, y'all, his birthday coming up, y'all. He about to be 13.